Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Ranch Homestead. Today I am working inside of the house. We have made the decision to stain the ceilings and the walls. We originally thought that we would just leave them natural, but they're pretty bright looking, which is not bad. But to match our logs a little bit more, we decided that we're going to darken them up. So we went through and we took a few samples, probably about 7 different stain samples, and we decided on the best one. I've started in our bedroom in the closet area just to kind of do a testing to make sure that we liked it. And we really loved how this stain brought out the color and the grain of the wood. So that is what I'm going to be working on today, is doing the ceiling. I'm going to be working on the scaffolding to do the side that is over the living area, just because we got our hardwood floors in. They were delivered the other night, and so we're going to start this weekend putting them in. So I want to make sure that the stain on the ceiling is completely finished, so that none of the stain drops down onto the new floors. I'm excited to show you what they look like. And so that's it. I'm going to be working hard as always, but there is definitely an end in sight. We're getting very excited about how things are turning out, and we're super grateful for all the friends and family that helped us finish up the chinking on the kitchen wall. It is really nice to have all that chinking done. What a relief. Yay. So getting to work. I made it up on top of the scaffolding, so I'm right next to the ceiling. I'm going to go ahead and get started putting the stain on. First spot done. That looks beautiful. There's got a lot left to do. Oh my goodness gracious. So I noticed on this one section, I kind of cut the line. You can see where I stopped and started again. So I think I'll have to add a little more stain on this side. I just don't like how that turned out. So what I decided to do is, now there are sections here where the beams are going to go. So I'm just going across each section here so that there is no mark left. I gotta try and fix that somehow, because I don't like it, but I do like the color. Fabulous. If you say there is still time, could we just keep riding on? Bring me up higher, bring me up higher, bring me up higher, bring me up higher, bring me up. Helen has come to enjoy the outdoors. She's going to sit and read her book while Chuck and I tackle the last portion of this side. It's a little tricky with the staircase. He's going to help me with the ladder and everything, so.
On the outside, looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the high waves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like gravity and you are pulling.
I am so happy to say that I have completed the ceiling, at least on the one side. I still have this side to do, but I'm not doing that today. My neck is like, screaming at me, but I am so pleased with how it looks. The only thing I have left to do is this wall over here. I'm gonna finish that sucker up. And then I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna have to take another shower because it is hot and humid from this hurricane, and I am sweaty. So anyways, that's enough for me right now, and I'll show you me finishing the wall. Hey, good morning, friends. It is Saturday morning and we're about to get to work putting the hardwood flooring into the bedroom. But before we do that, I need to stain these walls really quickly so that I don't have to worry about dripping onto the hardwood floors. The gentlemen are getting the chop saw set up. Taking a look at the ceilings. Awesome. Just gotta do underneath the staircase. So I got all the walls completed that are up. And now Peter and I get to, hello Peter. We are going to put the underlayment down for the hardwood floors.